Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Kelly with Kelly Travel Adventures. I'm up here at Canyon Lake, Texas at Potters Creek Park. This is the free boat ramp. It's outside the park gates, so it doesn't cost nothing to come here and launch your boat. And they do have a bathroom here. It's a pit toilet. I'll show you the inside of the men's room, and I assume the ladies' room is the same, except for the urinal, of course. But anyway, we'll take a look. The lake's right over here, and the toilet is, our bathroom facility is right over here. So we'll go take a look at this. And that's cinder block with a concrete roof. So it's here to stay. It's been here a long time, probably ever since they built the lake. But this is the men's room here. And they have a light in here, but I don't know if it works. Has a urinal right there. My phone just went off, excuse me. And there's the toilet. And like I said, it's just an old pit toilet. So if you got kids, make sure you come in here with them. You don't want them to fall in that thing. And now we'll go over here to the lake. We'll walk down to the lake. It's a beautiful day here for January. And there's a big whopping one car at the boat ramp that's fishing today. Pretty day. I'd like to be out there fishing. Pretty day. Yeah, this boat ramp is free. Come down here and park, launch your boat. You don't have to go into the park. Come down there. If you look Potters Creek Park up, you'll find it. There's one sign. No parking on the grass. So don't park on the grass. So if he is in your truck, you would come down here and right up here, this is all, on this side here is boat parking, and then on that side over there is boat parking too, boat and trailers. That's what I'm trying to say. Probably not saying it right, but that's what I'm trying to say. And so you drive down here, and so if you want to park, I guess, and walk down here, or if you're riding with somebody, you have to park at the bathroom. They have these signs all over the place that says parking boat trailers only. And they do have this sign here too, so you know what that means. But you would come down here, in this area here is where you would do your turnaround and get your boat headed down this way. And here's another deal here. What you can do here. Loading, unloading only, no wake zone, idle speed only, no swimming or waiting, no parking or turnaround. So after you got your truck and trailer or boat and car turned around, however you want to say it. You would come down here, and I think this boat ramp has a number too. I just ain't seen the sign yet. That's where you would go after you launch your boat. So you come down here, and you'd be backing up this distance, and a sign here on the pavement: stop zebra mussels, clean, drain, and dry your boat. It's the law. And here we have a 2-slot boat ramp, 2 cars at a time. And you know, when you come down to these, this is boat ramp 21, and it does have an address on it, so I'll take a picture of that so you know exactly where this is at. There's the sign right there. Boat ramp 21, 3145 Potters Creek Road. And so you launched your boat, you parked your trailer and truck. Now you come over here, you done tied your boat up over here. And this ain't no fishing dock, this is just for the boat. So when you park your boat, you got a place to tie it. And I don't know, we'll try to look into the water here. Oh yeah, you can probably see some of it pretty clear. Okay, so you come out here. And this is where you would tie your boat up. I got some boat ties there on the corner right there. And this is where you tie your boat while you park your truck. And that over there is the fishing pier. That's where we're going next. Yeah, it's been beautiful, beautiful weather here at Canyon Lake this winter, January, and my gosh, such a pretty day. We'll skip right around here and we'll walk right over there to the fishing pier. You know, when you're at the boat ramps, use a little common sense and have your boat on a day like today. It wouldn't really matter, but on summertime when it's real busy, have some common sense and have your boat all ready to go, because there'll be other people waiting to get in and out. So have everything ready to go when you launch your boat, or when you back onto the boat ramp, and then that way everything will go a lot smoother. Nobody has to wait on you. Get it in fast, get it out fast. Get out of the way. I don't know if y'all can see that bird sitting on that rail. I want to see. There he goes. Maybe you get to see him. I hope so. Okay, here we are. Now we're going to go down to the fishing pier. aluminum. And this is the fishing pier. And you can see this is where you're supposed to put your line, your monofilament line. But you know, some people think you put your garbage in there. I mean, how rude. People, we have nice facilities, and yet some people think they have to abuse them. I don't really understand why, but they do it. Just like this right there. You know, why leave your old shirt tied up there to the deal? I guess it's a rag. You can wipe your hands on it. And I guess this is what keeps it in place right here. But anyway, that's the fishing pier. Water looks fairly deep here, so it should be good. This is boat ramp 21, I believe. Yeah, 21. Boat ramp 21. It's free. It's got a pit toilet bathroom. One thing they don't have down here is garbage cans. So pack it in, pack it out. And just kind of shoot the lake as I walk back. I think we're going to end this video right here. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you appreciated it. And you know what? It don't cost nothing to subscribe to my channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be a subscriber, because man, it sure would help me out a lot, and I would really appreciate it bunches. That being said, give you one more look at Canyon Lake here. This is boat ramp 21. Very nice boat ramp, and a free boat ramp. So y'all have a good day. We'll talk later. Adios, amigos.